Christmas, everyone! It's Carrie with King Concoctions and the final soap for Soapmas. I hope you're enjoying this mini-series. I enjoyed making these soaps. Reminder, description box has social media accounts, waiting for you to support my channel, all the supplies I used, and my P.O. box address. Alright, let's make this 5th soap for Christmas. Alright, on to the final soap. And this one is going to use the Merry Mistletoe type. It smells exactly how I think Christmas should smell. And because it's Christmas, we're doing red and green. I have them mixed up already here. You're probably having a hard time seeing that, sorry. This is mostly really red mica from Nurture Soap with this steel gray mica mixed in, and I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that just gives it a slightly shimmery look to it, and I just wanted to darken it just very, very slightly. The green is a combination of emerald green that I used earlier, and then this tealishy hunter green color and this bright apple green color. I just kept mixing and with all my greens until I found a green that I thought worked. In addition to that, these will be swirls in a mostly white base. Adding my lye water and sodium lactate solution. Much like before, I'm going to add my fragrance oil straight to my batch before I divide it into colors. Mixing it in. Bringing my colors over, just going to add it straight to these. Now I'm going to add titanium dioxide to the rest of this. This I do want Snow White, so I'm being liberal with it. And mixing it in. I'm going to mix my colors into my set little asides here. I was going to do a drop swirl, but I think I'm going to do it in the pot swirl. And put green on one side and red on the other. Because I am right-handed. I'm not even going to swirl it. I'm going to leave it exactly like that. Alright, bringing over my mold for my very last soap here. Just going to pour it in. Oh god, that's beautiful already. Look at that. Look how amazing that looks. Guys, I love it. I hope it comes out that nice when I go to cut it. Alright, gonna bring that one down just a bit if I can. I have to turn my mold sideways. Sorry, guys. This is not easy. Alright. Going to take my pipette to that and just decorate it slightly. And that is my 5 Christmas gift soaps for this year. Oh, and then I will see you right now to cut it. And last is the holiday soap, or the Merry Mistletoe type. The weird spotting there is when I sprayed rubbing alcohol on top of it. I did it while the top was still mostly wet, and it made this kind of cool looking pattern in my opinion. It has also been stinking up my kitchen something fierce. It is a very strongly scented fragrance. Kind of eager to get it cut and put on the drying rack. Ooh, that's pretty. Wasn't quite imagined. That's not the type of pattern I thought it would turn out. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. This one is also still quite tacky to the touch, even though it's been several days since I made it. I think it's been over 40 hours, so almost. Well, no. It's Monday and I made it Saturday afternoon and it's Monday night, so it's been a little over 48 hours. Which is why those first couple ones were so difficult to cut. And this rounded edge here is just kind of how I had the freezer paper in the mold. That's okay. That one has some interesting parts to it. We've got a tiny swirl right there. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. That's some fun swirls in that one. I highly recommend this method if you're looking to make samples, if you're just getting started out, or maybe you want to try a couple of different scents and you're not sure how they might sell. These are very cute. You could sell them for like, I don't know, $1. I'm sure it would. Especially if you dolled them up with a cute little package, like cute little label. By the time you see this, these will not have been ready yet for me to package them and send them or give them to my family and friends. So you can find a picture of this on Instagram, probably sometime after Christmas, just to see how I ended up presenting them to my loved ones. So, and then this is like my favorite little one, and it's the little sample, and it's the one I get to keep. And here's all the soaps I made for Christmas. I plan to post a bonus concoction later on in the week. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope your Tuesday was fantastic. What kind of soap do you want me to make in 2019? Let me know in the comments. I haven't had the chance to reply too often, but I have read everybody's comments on this series of videos. Thank you so much for the compliments, you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!